to Out on the Town Entertainment News, your guide to the local entertainment scene. Find out about the places, the people, the bands, and the music, the hottest in the Delaware Valley. So sit back, relax. We're going out on the town with a guy who's always all over town, Mike Bagnoni.
Hey, welcome to another edition of Out on the Town Entertainment News. This is your entertainment show. Hi, I'm your host, Mike Bagnoni. Each and every month, we take you on a trip into the tri-state area entertainment scene and show you the people and places that make our entertainment scene light up at night. Well, tonight, we're coming to you from Sweeney's, and we're at a real Irish bar. It's the month of March, and it's a salute to the original scene in Philadelphia. We have Bang, we have Barking Cats, Mother's Day, Stephanie's Religion, comedy with Steve Friedling, plus a whole lot more. We have Al Thompson from the FM Audition, so sit back and relax. It's time for the hottest half hour in local TV. It's time for Out on the Town Entertainment News.
Support wildlife. Party at Sweeney's, located at the corner of Philmont and Bustleton Avenues in Northeast Philly. It's the place to be.
Caesars and Planet Hollywood proudly present Broadway on the Boardwalk 2. Performers from your favorite Broadway shows entertain for a second spectacular year. Monday, April 28th at 8 p.m. in Caesars Circus Maximus Theater. Tickets at Caesars box office or Ticketmaster at 1-800-736-1420. All proceeds benefit the South Jersey AIDS Alliance.
The Richboro Pub, located at 1034 2nd Street Pike in Richboro, is your family dining spot, serving lunch and dinner daily. From finger foods to full-course dinners at prices that won't dent your wallet. The Richboro Pub is live music weekly, pool tables, and a great pub atmosphere. Come to a real Irish pub, the Richboro Pub. Call 364-8606.
If you like to go out, there's a paper for you, Out on the Town Entertainment News Guide. It's a labor of love by people in the business, filled with information about concerts, casinos, area bars and nightclubs, restaurants, and local bands. It's a paper about the people that make the Delaware Valley light up at night. Pick up your copy at area clubs and bars. The best news is, Out on the Town is free. The next time you go out, look for your copy of Out on the Town Entertainment Guide.
The tri-state area entertainment scene is bursting with original talent. And at a recent Out on the Town original night at Sweeney's, we caught up with 4 hot acts. Right now, sit back and rock to the Barking Cats. With the Barking Cats. Guys, welcome to Out on the Town.
Thanks for having us.
Would you like to introduce everybody in the band?
Sure. Over to my right here, we have Jim, lead guitar player and background vocals. Here you have Tony, percussion and drums. I'm Joe, and this is Joel over here, bass and backing vocals and everything else.
Joe?
Yes.
The Barking Cats. You're
Yes.
one of the first, well, I should, a modern rock original band here
Yes.
in the Delaware Valley.
Correct.
What area of the city are you from?
We're pretty much from the Bucks County area, and we've been playing everywhere from, downtown to Westchester, up to New York, down to Delaware.
You have a new product that's out.
A 5-song EP.
Now you're working on a new product.
Correct. It's going to be a 6-song EP with all new songs, updated. It sounds great. Check it out.
Modern rock style.
Yeah.
It's a collaboration when you guys write your music.
Pretty much, I'll come in with the music and some of the vocals and, you know, bring it into the band. We work it out, and what comes out. I mean, it's barking cats.
How much success are you sending the music out to record companies, the record labels all over?
Yeah, Virgin Records actually liked some of our songs, and we're in the process of sending them some more.
A new act with a real cool look and sound is Bang, and these guys will surely give you a bang for your buck.
Hi, I'm Al Thompson. I'm here at Sweeney's, right here on Philmont Avenue and Bustleton Avenue. I'm here tonight at Sweeney's playing darts. And I thought I'd interview a band while we were here, you know. And hey, gentlemen, how you doing? This is I'm here tonight at Sweeney's, like I said, for Out on the Town, and I'm talking to Bang. How you guys doing tonight, Bang?
Pretty good. Thanks for having us here.
You guys just get together? I mean, you guys a new band, or have you been around for a little while?
Bang is more of a concept than it really is a band. Enter my world. This is Bang. Been together for eons. We'll be together forever. You never know.
Don't know where it's coming from. I can't wait to go on with the big show. It's for a lifetime. I'll just wait and see if you're mine. You're so good it made me sick. Gotta keep my head up. Keep ahead of the big show! Get more of the big show!
You know, you said it's more of a concept, but you didn't tell us what that concept is. I mean, this is pretty snazzy stuff you got here.
Well, that's for you to figure out what the concept is. I'm not going to spell it out for you. That would be too easy. You never know what's going to come. You know what I mean? You know, you just never know. We got a guy pinned to the wall. Works all the time. You can come off, dude.
Oh, thanks. Who was your favorite drummer growing up?
This is Mark. And Mark's favorite drummer would be,
Me.
Mark's favorite drummer would be Mark.
This is Al Thompson for the Out on the Town Entertainment Newspaper TV showcase here at Sweeney's. Saying good night.
Crystal eyes with your dress hat on.
Walsh's Tavern at 63 North York Road in Warminster and Richie's Bar and Grill at 323 West County Line Road in Hatboro are two great Irish bars. Come experience the atmosphere, the people, and all the good times. Happy hours, live entertainment weekly, good food, and great service. Walsh's in Warminster and Richie's in Hatboro. Two great choices for a night out on the town. Light up the nighttime sky with this Sky Tracker from McManus Enterprises. It's great for celebrations, events, grand openings, and all kinds of promotions. The Sky Tracker gets your event the attention it deserves. It creates excitement and guides the curiosity seekers right to the door of your next event. So the next time you really want the attention, go get the Sky Tracker. Call McManus Enterprises at 1-800-523-0348. Animal House, the band. It's frat rock, it's fun, it's danceable. And you can check them out this month in clubs and bars all over the Delaware Valley, like the Ben Elbow, Walsh's, Kenny's Bar, Mulligan's Pub, Spoil Sports, Tom and Jerry's, and the Richboro Pub. Animal House. They'll put a smile on your face and make you dance all over the place. Call Apollo Artist Attractions at 1-610-328-6500.
Big Mouth Records and Productions proudly presents Metal Feast.
You gotta be there.
97.
You gotta be there.
On Saturday, March 22nd at Sweeney's Saloon.
It's hot.
Featuring Afterlife, Predator,
And your mom.
Also, check out Philly Rock Fest 97 on Friday, April 11th at Shooters in Fairless Hills, PA. Both shows are brought to you by Out on the Town newspaper, the Rock Pile magazine, and hosted by Lynn Ramage and DJ Kristen from Villanova's WXVU. Now, see you at the shows.
Come and rock with.
He was a vinyl seat player. I caught his act at Sweeney's that night, and the way he played the vinyl seat, it made me feel alright, feel alright.
You might recognize Steve Friedling, our next guest. He was an original member of the Tokens. From a singing career, Steve has turned his sights to stand-up comedy.
New Tickle Me Barbie doll just came out. I don't know, you know, over Christmas the big hit, of course, was the Tickle Me little doll. The Tickle Me Barbie doll is out. You tickle her once and she says, oh. You tickle her twice and she goes, oh yeah. Tickle her 3 times and she goes, see you in court. I use sound in my act. Oh, wow, Mom. Oh, wow, Mom. Oh, wow. Hey, son, get out there and mow that lawn. Okay, Pop.
Thank you very much for having me. You have seen me in Ghostbusters at the end of the film Ghostbusters 1. I was the Hare Krishna figure dancing on top of a car. And that's it. And thank you very much. And in Sea of Love, I was at a bar with Al Pacino. Next time you see it, Al Pacino passes in back. I'm looking up at a monitor and I'm going, that's me. And here's a song about my eyebrows. Don't you know sometimes? Don't you know sometimes? I go shopping in Bloomingdale's, song about my eyebrows. Don't you know that sometimes I go shopping in Sears and Roebuck? Yes, I do. Sometimes I go shopping in Montgomery Ward or J.C. Penney. Don't you know? And eyebrows, 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 eyebrows. And thank you very much, and God bless you all.
This month's dining segment takes us to the newly opened Johnsville Inn located in Warminster, Pennsylvania. Excellent mouth-watering Italian-American cuisine is the bill of fare at this eatery. Combined with friendly service and an excellent staff, Now, let's find out about the Johnsville Inn.
The Johnsville Inn was created between Charles Biggs, my partner, and myself, Don McGeary, to keep the nostalgia of the name Johnsville in the area. It was established in 1996.
Here at the Johnsville, we have the capabilities of fine dining without a fine dining cost. We also have facilities for banquets, weddings, all sorts of parties that we can accommodate anywhere from small parties up to 175 people.
These owners know how to put together the right combination for a great restaurant, starting with Chef Jerry Picardi.
My father used to own a restaurant, and my father used to babysit me by putting me in the sink so I couldn't get out of it. So I started by peeling the shrimp and the potatoes that were in the sink. That's where I started. And I've been working in the restaurant ever since.
Tell me, Chef, what's in the stuffed cherry peppers?
The stuffed cherry peppers with prosciutto and Romano cheese. It has marinated artichokes and just garnished with kale. I like to do a lot of family-style dinners. And the idea is to get a little piece of veal, everybody gets a little piece of chicken, or however it goes. And the salmon puff, which I sell lots of them now, is salmon and mashed potatoes and spinach with roasted garlic. And it's wrapped in a puff pastry dough. And it's served with like a seafood sauce. I enjoy what I do. The busier it is, the more I enjoy it. And when the customer tells me it's good, that's better than a raise.
That's good. That's good. I like that.
And then after they tell me that, I tell them to go tell the owners before they walk out the door. Right.
The food is one reason to come to the Johnsville Inn, but they also offer great entertainment weekly and have a lounge that is becoming a very popular meeting place for all ages.
Our entertainment here at the Johnsville is dining music basically from Tuesday to Saturday.
The hours, 8 o'clock to 1. Also on Friday, we offer a happy hour of music from 4:30 to 7. The type of music here is usually starts out as a dining situation music, and then as the later the hour gets, we go from anywhere from 1960 music on up to modern day.
So the next time you're going out to have dinner, make it a point to stop by the Johnsville Inn. You'll get a good meal, and then you can dance the night away in their lounge.
Hi, I'm Ellen DeGeneres, and I want to talk to you about lupus. It's a disease that makes your body go haywire. Basically, your immune system turns on you. It can attack your joints, it can cause low-grade fever, it can even cause kidney failure. To find out more, give the Lupus Foundation people a call today.
Hello, on One Life to Live, I play Marty Sabrick, who has lupus. As many as 2 million Americans suffer from this disease. 90% of them are women. Get the facts. Call the Lupus Foundation.
Through communication, we are unlocking the mystery. For answers, call the Lupus Foundation of America.
If you like to go out, there's a paper for you, Out on the Town Entertainment News Guide. It's a labor of love by people in the business, filled with information about concerts, casinos, area bars and nightclubs, restaurants, and local bands. It's a paper about the people that make the Delaware Valley light up at night. Pick up your copy at area clubs and bars. The best news is, Out on the Town is free. The next time you go out, look for your copy of Out on the Town Entertainment Guide.
Caesars and Planet Hollywood proudly present Broadway on the Boardwalk 2. Performers from your favorite Broadway shows entertain for a second spectacular year. Monday, April 28th at 8 p.m. in Caesars Circus Maximus Theater. Tickets at Caesars box office or Ticketmaster at 1-800-736-1420. All proceeds benefit the South Jersey AIDS Alliance.
Swings.
We love this place! Sweeties is great! To support wildlife.
Support wildlife. Party at Sweeney's, located at the corner of Philmont and Bustleton Avenues in Northeast Philly. It's the place to be.
I'm with a group right now. They're called Moonseed. Guys, welcome to Out on the Town.
We're happy about it, man.
Vince.
Yes, that's right. Hey, very good, thank you.
Explain to us about Moonseed, okay?
Moonseed is a very versatile band. It starts at a kind of a light jazz rock to a kind of heavy, grooving Soundgarden kind of-ish groove and tones going on. What more do you need to know?
I just wanted to know what type of band you were, you know.
Yeah, basically, yeah, all-round hitting.
Okay, who's in Moonseed?
Mario is our singer.
I sing a lot.
Okay.
Doug is our guitarist.
Hey, how's it going? What's up?
And Greg is our bass player, and I am the thick drummer.
The writing of your music, is it a collaboration of all four of you together?
It's a collaboration. Everyone does it, and everything that's done for Moonseed is done by Moonseed. At the moment, we have a 10-song demo CD that was released in '94. At the moment, we have this product out.
Oh, look at this. Look at this plug.
We just finished a recording, a 6-song EP in Sonic Recording Studios. And last Saturday, we went in and recorded another single called Creating My Destruction at Milk Boy Studios. So we're very busy recording all the time.
Moonseed. Check them out.
Thank you to Out on the Town. Bye.
Five, four, three, two, one.
I'm here with Stephanie's Religion. Hey, guys.
Hello, hello. How's it going?
And I want to start off the interview by saying I really don't care how you named your band, okay? I mean, that's it.
Because we don't care.
I'm Christian, the drummer.
John, bass.
Jeremy, vocals.
And Brett, guitar.
I thought somebody was going to do a Ringo. Yeah, there's a good shot of their CD. And you guys have been together a long time. How have you guys been able to stand each other, actually, for this long?
Well, we still don't. We still don't stand each other, kind of hate each other.
A lot of alcohol.
But yeah, a lot of beer, yeah. Anyway, we've been together for about 5 years, but not the way you see us. It's been together about 5 years, like I said, about 2 seconds before. But like I said, beer.
Well, how would you classify your music genre?
Rock and roll, man. That's all it is, rock and roll.
We will be appearing on, I must say this, another plug. It's what we call the LMA, and that's what they stand for, Local Musicians Alliance.
Yes.
And that is all local musician bands in Philadelphia who only play original music.
Don't play no covers.
You know what? No offense to anybody in here, but no covers, you know.
So if you guys got a record deal tomorrow, you would throw all this stuff right out the window, you know.
Not true. Actually not.
Not true.
We would try to turn whatever label we did get signed to onto the bands that we're associated with now.
And that's got to be the hardest part, is getting a label interested in you. Seriously. I mean, all the bands talk about this stuff.
Once people start paying attention to the Philly scene, there's going to be a lot of other bands that are going to be right on the coattails of the first band that gets the attention.
You got to bring the attention first. And, you know, once that happens, whatever.
All right, well, we're here tonight at Sweeney's Station Tavern, Sweeney's Tavern.
Are we Sweeney's tonight?
We're at Sweeney's tonight. We're at Sweeney's tonight. Here for Out on the Town Entertainment News. We're here with Stephanie's Religion, right here.
Well, that's our show for tonight. Hope you had a good time. Special thanks to the whole crew at Sweeney's and all the entertainers. Stephanie's Religion, Moonseed, Bang, and the Barking Cats, plus Stephen Friedling. So until next time, we hope to see you out on the town.